Hello, my soul friends. This is a soul light healing, light language attunement for elevating the coherence and frequencies during transition times in our central nervous system, helping us to come into alignment with our true self and the creation consciousness that is the one mind where we exist and embody our spirit self into the soul, into the physical body without struggle, sacrifice, survival, imprints, and distortions. And so even on this brisk February day here at the Sound, the frequencies and coherences really special and loving today, so I wanted to send this. And if this resonates, I invite you to get my free attunement in the link below in the description, or join me for a live session. Kodanikati taria shokonto moro kinta shidori kopunta ka shadia konto modende ariba kinta shakonti otimatonta digonde gorego shombenginda arimante kapatonto shitondi are kantan matiasho kokone aminta didonde amada kanda toto shikona Ishimakinte apako tundami amakinda garigarigo shono koto ona impetuna kandaki shiramoto ko ona apiatanta shimiakante apia kono kotinda demotion onekane ako omida kinta tia kanda Shiri shonti opakin tiri marakanti akatona shiakonde goriko ponto koshinta ashiakanta karimando dunde akashin shimi shosho undi akunda ipiakinte petoko shoni amanta donde kinta umia shantia viagondo Ti doni ami kintari pakatontorio sokoponta tindi apiaka tarina namana koto shondi apa kinta tani kami rariko shoni akintari titoni amoshonto aviaganda de gondi morikon tari ashampantin kanda Mishonti opakona amiagenda Imori orika timparia kenta shinda Shindiako morio ponto koshina Omotokona amagandi amoto koshintari manda kinta Shimosho nono omono tonta baba Doni amia Shimuta anika pintari amatakoto Shigunda arimakinda Toshiamana ariako Poriokintita paria shonto Dondi amakinta Receive these frequencies from creation of my mind, all of the all. Allow them to go straight into the soul, recalibrating back to your original remembrance of coherence and divine self. And so it is, with much love.